Okay, do you see the rule up there? Please only join once per stream, okay? Let's be cool. We don't have much time, so we want people to be able to join. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me explain. If you guys let me win in one match, I will organize a tournament, a Mario Kart big tournament event between all of hololive-EN and all of hololive Indonesia, if they're willing to participate, that is. But I think they will. So you can kill me every other time after that, but at least let me win once. Last time I told you that too, but you guys didn't listen. 一応皆さんに伝えます。とある約束があります。一度でもキアラに1位ね取らせてくれるんであれば、キアラはホロライブイングリッシュとホロライブインドネシアの全体みんなを誘った大きなマリカーターナメントを企画します。その後はもう1位じゃなくてもいいんだけど、1回だけ1位にしろよ。Understood? Okay, よし。I guess we're going with speed? Come on. Ooh! No, I don't need that fucking star! Let's go. Last round! Everyone understands the situation, right? わかってるよね? Wait, what the fuck, man? コロナ先輩待ってくれ、マジで聞いてお願い待って She's waiting! Cookie on you! Hey, you're coming! Wait! Oh my god, they're listening! Who is the fucking bastard Who is it? Who did not want to be nice today? Who wanted to get into the usual room for a life sentence? Wilson! ねえ、他の人ありがとう。Thank you everyone who was raiding the air. You know what? That generally went so well, and most of you were so nice that I will do it. I decide I will do it. わかった。一人だけ変なことやってたけど、キャラは優しいから決めた。Takanashi Kiara will organize a big tournament between hololive Indonesia and hololive English. Although July is fucking busy, I don't know if I can do it in July. Maybe beginning of August. やべえ、8月とかになるかもしれないけどね、ちょっと待ってくれたら。よいしょ。オッケー。